Transferring photos from iPhone to Android is easy, and there are several ways to do it, like using Mobican Transfer for Mobile, a USB cable, Send Anywhere, Google Drive, and Dropbox. Let's dive into the steps. Option 1. How to transfer photos from iPhone to Android without losing quality. Mobican Transfer for Mobile is one of the best options to transfer pictures from iPhone to Android. This product is a professional phone transfer tool that enables you to transfer data from one phone to another. Option 2. How to transfer pictures from iPhone to Android by drag and drop. Connect your iPhone and Android to the computer via USB. Open both devices under this PC, Devices and Drives. In the iPhone's DSIM folder, select Photos. Drag them to a folder on your Android. Option 3. How to transfer all my photos from iPhone to Android via Send Anywhere. Open Send Anywhere on both phones. On iPhone, tap Send, select Photos, and get a PIN or QR code. On Android, tap Receive, enter the PIN or scan to transfer. Option 4. How to transfer images from iPhone to Android using Google Drive. Open Google Drive on your iPhone and log in. Tap plus Upload and select Photos to upload. On Android, log into the same account, locate the photos, and download them. Option 5. How to transfer pics from iPhone to Android by Dropbox. Open Dropbox on your iPhone and log in. Tap Upload File, select Photos, and upload. On Android, log into the same account, find the photos, and download them. Option 6. How to copy photos from iPhone to Android via SAHREit. Install SAHREit on both devices. Open the app, tap Send on iPhone, Receive on Android, select Photos on iPhone, pair devices via radar or QR code. Transfer starts automatically. Check the received folder on Android. Option 7. How to migrate photos from iPhone to Android via Android Switch. Install Switch to Android on your iPhone. Disable Massage in Settings Messages. Open the app and connect to your Android via cable or Wi-Fi. Select Photos on your iPhone and start the transfer.